Hi Marissa, I'm just going to go over these two questions that you had trouble with. If you still don't get it after watching this video, please get in touch with me. Okay, so the first one, no, it's the second one. Let me go back to the first one. First one is the one looking at cupcakes. So it gives us the ingredients we need for cupcakes. We're told this would make 12 cupcakes, and we want to know how much flour we would need to make 7 cupcakes. Okay, so to make 12 cupcakes, oh, that's not a nice colour of pen. Let's try that again. To make 12 cupcakes, we need 120 grams of flour. If I only wanted to make one cupcake, then I would need a twelfth of that. So I'm dividing by 12. So I would need 120 divided by 12, which is 10 grams of flour. If I want to make 7 cupcakes, so if I want to make 7, if it's 10 grams for one, I need to do 10 times 7, which is 70 grams of flour. The idea with these questions is you always want to work it back to what one would be and then multiply up. But like doing the ratio, it's just worded in a slightly different way. Second one, in a school, a quarter of the pupils wear glasses. If there are 240 pupils in the school, how many don't wear glasses? So a quarter of 240, divide by the bottom. So we're doing 240 divided by 4, which is 60. So that's how many do wear glasses. We want to know how many don't wear glasses. 240 altogether, take away the 60, so 180 don't wear glasses. Okay, hopefully this will help. Any problems, please get in touch.